Hey guys, today we'll be playing more Animal Company. I think it's been a while since I've done this, but
yeah!
And we'll be playing it with this guy and this guy.
Monkey Boy!
Oh! Oh my god, is your name actually Monkey Boy? And I got my microscopic backpack to bring along the way. Although we can't kill each other. But we're here for the loot, not the kill.
Hey, can we go mining?
Oh yeah, the mines or the caves? Cause I'm scared of the mines.
The mines!
Oh no, I'm bringing.
I yearn for the mines.
I'm bringing gun. Let me put some ammo in my backpack. I don't know how that all that fits. I'm not going with no weapon.
I have a surprise for you guys.
Oh my god, that was big. Bro said, I'm gonna do it 15,000 big booms. That's crazy. Alright guys, let's head on down to the mines.
Hey,
I'm bringing a revolver.
I became rebroke. I need a revolver, bro.
I'm bringing a revolver.
Again!
I'm not going
Hey, bro,
with no weapon. I would never.
Yeah, like, that's the main thing you cannot do. Like, you can.
Alright, one of us needs a flashlight.
Cause dude, I'll get it. My bag has a flashlight.
Oh, never mind. Our bags have flashlights.
Yeah. Mine don't.
I think these are old. Are these backpacks still available in the game?
Nope. No.
Oh, so these are rare. All right. I'm gonna take my crowbar. That works. That works. All right. We got the small flashlight. Okay. We're going to a spooky place. Oh god, dude, I hate spiders.
I know, bro. Spider just comes in your face and jump scares you for no absolute reason.
Only reason I didn't want to go this way is because spider. That's it.
But guess what I hate the most?
Spider?
Angler.
Angler. Oh, angler. Dude, you give me war PTSD. 5 big booms. Boom!
Bro, it's just as it's just as simple, right?
We're at the entrance to the mines.
Yeah, now we're going in.
Why are we going in? We should wait for him. I'm not really yearning.
Actually, no. We're gonna wait.
And plus, I'm not exactly yearning for the mines right now. I'm not gonna lie. I should have brought a hook shot. I don't know. Should have swapped out my revolver for a hook shot.
Nah, bro. I got you. You can borrow mine. You can borrow a hook shot. I'm here to kill.
I'm here to kill the spider. Y'all can grab the loot if you'd like.
I'm here to kill.
I'm here to mine and kill.
I'm here to kill gorillas. Yeah, I'm here to kill gorillas.
We're not gorillas, right? We're orangutans. Yeah, we're orangutans.
No, you guys are gorillas.
Chill, bro.
Bro, stop trying to kill us.
We need to kill the spider. That's who we kill.
Mimi. Like,
the spider is who we must kill.
The Michael, the guy, the mimic.
McDonald's! Hey, dang it, I want some.
Hey, why did you hit me?
It was on accident.
Guys, that's
Big Arm Johnny! Big Arm Johnny.
You know what?
Actually, let's kill Big... Whoa, chill!
Where's Dover? Did he actually respawn?
Did he? He did.
I think he's gonna kill me.
We got a revolver. Big Arm Johnny's killed.
No, where are you?
We're in the mines.
With your friend.
Boom! Boom! Dang, shut
Why?
It never gives me one. Never gives me a research point. Never gives me
I got so many today. I have 5.
Okay, so he wasn't our only. He's back. Oh no!
This is what you get. Can you revive me? I revive you.
I'll revive you guys.
It's because that guy killed me, man.
Oh my god, bro! Why'd you kill him? Now we're all dead. Dude, why'd you kill him? Why did you do that?
Me. And you made me mad because he just made me lose my favorite grappler.
Look, you killed him, and you killed both of you. So I had to come and revive y'all. But then, Johnny, that's Big Arm Johnny. Timmy, the spider, killed us because of you. So, and I lost a rare thing. So unpolite of you, though. So unpolite. Serves you right.
Never mind, I'll just leave. Sorry.
Alright, weapons. Bam. Bam. I yearn for the mines. You don't gotta leave.
Bro, my
Just don't,
controllers are still broken.
you don't
Still
gotta
working,
leave.
Goofy controllers.
You just don't have. Just don't commit mass murder. Yo, where are you, bro?
So you don't want me to be in the server anymore?
No, I said just stop committing mass murder.
Bro. Come on, boy.
Where are you, bro? Got no idea where this man is. There you are.
What's that?
Oh, Jesus.
Nah, no way, bro. Said, Jesus.
That dude made us lose our rare backpacks. I'm sad.
Oh, you mean this?
Oh, yeah, those, yeah.
Yeah, where are they?
Where's mine?
I wonder.
They're so small. There's mine. I don't want it, though.
There it is.
There we go. Do we jump it? Do we jump it?
I don't know, but I have a gun at your head.
I see a purple ore. Whoa. I do see amethyst.
Whoa, man.
So I do want to jump. I do want to jump.
So,
Might as well.
okay.
Might as well jump down. See? Don't hit the green
my
thingy.
God,
The
it's
green
nasty.
thingy doesn't look very good. Whoa. Big arm. Johnny, no.
Armpit.
Bad Johnny. Johnny, you're a bad boy. Okay?
Hi, big boy.
I killed him.
Killed him. Alright.
Ooh.
Ah, my God.
I'm coming back
That
to mine.
worked.
I get.
We need to bring that.
I built.
Wait, let's get some company coins, bro. Let's get some company coins from this big vein of it.
Oh, yeah.
Where'd you go? Bro!
Wait, those
Okay, birthday. Six research points.
Oh, I got coins! Oh, my God. Holy God. I'm rich now.
Freaking wave.
You need to leave.
Yo, where are you?
No way we
ain't
can go
going.
down here. We're deep in the mines. I think we yearn too much.
shout out
Yearn
I
for
think
the
we yearn
mines.
to the mines too much, bro.
We yearn for the
Wow!
mines.
You got hit by a big scary.
Bro, one of y'all's backpack.
Hey, big face.
Bye!
Oh, he hit
Bye!
hard.
Fatty! Nope.
You big back.
Wow!
You big booty wishes back.
Oh my God, I'm at like 1 HP. I am basically dead.
If you, whoever moves first is gay.
Really, bro?
He's gay.
I hear y'all yearning. I'm coming. You hear us what? No.
I really hope he said
Yearning for your
yapping, but I have
grandma.
no idea.
Oh my God.
That could be really wasted.
Yeah, right?
That
That was
could
a
be-
good use.
Yeah. We could help us get there fast.
I accidentally wasted that one too.
Bruh. Dude, I'm actually at like 1 HP. Wait, can I slap that? I slapped it.
That's sad.
Where are you? Just slow down, bro. You're speeding.
I find Waba. Waba is deep down. We are
I'm gonna hit
at
Loot. What?
Come on.
Okay. There, that was some good loot. Hey! Find out the berries! Did you just shoot it? Oh, it's open. No, but this place looks really cool.
12 map. Watch out, there's gonna be some eyes. If you see an eye, watch out and always look underneath of you because there might be this target or hitbox looking thingy. If it is, hide, like go behind something where I can't see you. And while we're at it, there is expensive ores in here.
Bet! My backpack is just used for ammo. Do we jump it? We jump it. All right.
Yeah, come on.
I don't think there is any ammo in your bag after you die.
Oh no, I refilled it. Where are you?
See, look at those cores. Wobble ore.
Whoa.
Oh shoot, hitbox, hitbox. Have a hitbox, have a hitbox.
I know.
See, look. Oh,
Whoa.
it's right there. The
No
eye's
more
up there.
hitbox.
Oh yeah, I saw that one too.
These
Oh,
monsters.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hide.
Don't go up here.
These monsters are so annoying, bro.
Yeah, but you can just shoot them.
Can't go nowhere. Can't do nothing.
You can just shoot them.
Oh, can? I'm scared.
It's okay, it's okay. It's not that bad.
Hitbox.
Yeah, I see that. You can just go super long with it.
Whoa.
You just gotta make sure you dodge.
Okay, so it doesn't matter. You can just dodge it anyway. How do we?
Yeah, but it takes,
you know,
they're
escape.
explosive, so it takes a while, so it takes like half your health.
Okay. How do you?
But there's also
well,
some
you know.
research points up here.
Okay, but how do you? Well, you
shoot.
know, escape. You're
Oh
cooked.
yeah, that's easy.
You're so
Easy. Let me
cooked.
just find out. Where's the escape thing? Oh, it's right there. It's right there.
Okay.
See that big blobby hit thing?
I killed it. Ow. That hurted. It launched popcorn.
No one to tell me, my friend, I'm dead. I'm afraid. Let me think about where's our you at?
Where are you? Everyone, get aboard the SS. I'm scared.